Hey everybody, Brian from the Cabinet Joint. This is not an assembly video. This is going to be an interesting video to kind of open your eyes to what we can do for you as your cabinet supplier. When you look at our website and you're combing through the, browse our collection of wall cabinets, base cabinets, what have you, you got standard, we'll call them SKUs, standard units that act as kind of a jumping off point. So let's look at a standard base cabinet. Standard drawer with a door below it, base cabinet, is available in X size range in 16th inch increments. That's one level of customization. Is we can do a base cabinet 12 3/8 wide or 12 5/16 wide. That in itself is really, really impressive. Most companies limit you to 3-inch increments, or if they do deviate, it might go down to 1-inch increments. And if you deviate from the 3-inch, it gets very expensive. What's so beautiful about this line is not only can we deviate the size range in 16th inch increments for height, depth, and width for most cabinets, we can also do custom one-off boxes. And you're thinking, well, how does that work? What I have in front of me right here is an example of that. You cannot find this cabinet in our catalog. This is a 4-drawer cabinet, as you can see, and it's, I think, about 30 inches high to the top. This does not exist. It's supposed to be a range top cabinet. I won't get into why the customer needed this or all of that, but suffice it to say, in our offering, our cabinet coaches can take any cabinet we offer and strip the front frame off and add a custom front frame on to give you custom configurations of cabinets. Now, no, we can't do pyramid shaped or trapezoidal shaped cabinets. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about in rectangular or square formations. If you had a special need, we can usually achieve it. Give you an example. We had a customer years ago who wanted to do scrapbooking. So she needed a counter setting cabinet that had a series of 4-inch high drawer openings with a little drawer box in it. I think with 3-inch high drawer openings with a little tiny drawer box in it, but you wanted like 9 of them all stacked up. Okay, so you have 9 little drawer openings. Well, if you look in our catalog, that doesn't exist. What we can simply do is take a wall cabinet that matches that dimension, 18 wide by 72 high, and do a custom front frame that has the drawer configured the way we want them. And then we add in the drawer boxes and drawer glides, and voila, we have a custom cabinet that is not shown in the catalog. Why do I tell you this? The main reason is when you look at our catalog, don't let your design limitations end there. If you work with our designers, you actually ask for the design to be done, they'll know all this and can work with you. But if you're just coming up with your own list of cabinets to send us to quote, don't be limited by what you see in the catalog. What gives this cabinet line its power is that design customization. People see the word ready to assemble or RTA with our cabinets and get kind of worried that, oh, it's kind of like that Oriental stuff that comes over, or it's IKEA. This is so different than that. This is hundreds of door designs, thousands of color combinations. It's almost mind-blowing. But then you add in this ability to design a kitchen cabinet the way you need it to achieve your design dream that you saw in Better Homes and Gardens. We can help you with that. It does get more expensive when you get into that level of customization. Our cabinet coaches can talk you through that. But if you have a cabinet or two in your kitchen you've just got to have, all we need is a sketch or a picture of what you're looking for, and we can work with that for you. So keep that in mind. Again, it's a function of custom front frames and oddball drawer boxes or whatever we've got to do to get that design for you. But just don't be limited by that catalog. If you have any questions at all, your cabinet coach, or if you're working with one of our designers, the designers can certainly guide you on this kind of thing and get you that dream design. But we do hope you take the advantage of this opportunity to really customize your job. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.